Disassembly tips. Ensure that you take the following precautions when disassembling a unit. Label each cable as you remove it, noting its position and routing. This will make replacing the cables much easier and will ensure that the cables are rerouted properly. Keep all screws with the component removed, if applicable. The screws used in each component can be of different thread sizes and lengths. Using the wrong screw in a component could damage the unit. If the unit contains light-sensitive components such as motherboard, memory module, CPU, hard disk drive, graphic card, store the component in its original ESD packaging to avoid damage. Please read the description below for more details about tools used to removal and replacement, static electricity.
Removal. Remove the 8 4.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Loosen the 2 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Carefully separate the edges of the base enclosure from the top cover. Remove the base enclosure. Replacement. Align the edges of the base enclosure with the top cover and place it into position. Apply pressure to the edges of the base enclosure until it snaps into place. Tighten the 2 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Replace the 8 4.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.